Today I'm going to talk about two great Google Chrome extensions that I am using in my classroom. So first I went to the Chrome web store and I looked up read aloud to a text-to-speech voice reader. And it's very easy to do. And it comes up here and installs in your Chrome extension. So I wanted to show you something that I might be using in the classroom. We have a new Native American unit in social studies, and this is a great way that students can look up a video in one of their centers, and they can go up here to the icon, and it will actually
The Wampanoag
read
Way.
aloud.
The Wampanoag are a Native American tribe from the northeastern United States. They were there when the Pilgrims arrived in 1620, and they are...
You can also pause it, which is really helpful, and students can learn a little bit more about what the video is going to be about. The second tool that I looked at is a tool that allows you to get rid of ads on websites that you may not need that could be a distraction for students. So thinking back to my classroom, we are employing a project where students need to choose a public figure and learn about them. So one of those public figures that they might choose is Serena Williams. And do you see how crowded this page is? It's very distracting for students, all kinds of different types of learners. And you might hit this Mercury bar up here, and it changes the website, which is wonderful. So it takes away all of those distracting ads that are flashing and that might be changing, and it allows the student just to focus on the article.